channel 2021. Hey, hi, hello, welcome and welcome back. If you're new here, hi, my name is Portia. All my friends call me Porsh, so you could call me Porsh too. And I make beauty, lifestyle, random bachelor and bachelorette videos, and a whole bunch of other stuff on my channel too. So if you are interested, stay tuned because this video is gonna be real good. So today we're talking about all things starting a YouTube channel in 2021. What do you need to do? And you guys probably already know that there are a billion videos like this out there. Like, there are tons and tons of videos that say the exactly same thing. Oh, you should start a YouTube channel in 2021. They tell you to do all these things, but they don't really tell you how to do these things. They don't really show you how to do it. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to give you a step-by-step, a real step-by-step, no BS, no bull. This is how you start a YouTube channel. Now, for a lot of you, a lot of stuff that I'm going to be talking about in this particular video is going to be like, well, duh. Plenty of people out there that honestly don't know where to start, like, at all. So this is going to be specifically for the beginners of all beginners, like all beginners, like not even beginner. This is super beginner. So with that being said, if you are interested in this video, just keep watching. Okay, so this is going to be the first episode. I broke this down into a few different episodes because I just want to explain everything in depth and like so you understand and give you guys a few examples of everything that I'm going to talk about. I'm actually really excited to start this series because all of my friends ask me about YouTube all the time, and I'm pretty much their go-to person when it comes to a question about YouTube or anything like that. But I definitely will say that I have been suffering from imposter syndrome for so long, because for the simple fact of, even though all of my friends ask me questions about YouTube and I'm able to help them out, I didn't feel like I was at a certain level or a certain criteria as to what, you know, would deem me actually putting my things that I've learned and things that I know about on the internet. I just didn't feel like it would be useful to anybody, or that there's plenty of videos already out there, and that I'm personally still learning myself. I still can kind of consider myself a beginner. So I was just like, how can I possibly tell somebody else how to be successful when I don't even feel successful myself? That is a lie, and we rebuke you in the name of Jesus. So with that being said, I'm just going to tell you guys what I know, because a lot of people don't know what I know. And there's a lot of things that I don't know that somebody else is gonna know. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. First thing that you want to do when you want to start your YouTube channel is to sign up. Signing up for a channel is pretty easy. All you need is an email account and Gmail account. Now, I personally think that you could sign up with a Yahoo account as well, but I'm not entirely sure. But because YouTube is owned by Google, or YouTube is a Google service, it makes sense, and everything is just easily ran through and interchangeable if you have a Gmail account. So open up a Gmail account, and from there you can sign up for a YouTube, or you just sign into YouTube. And technically from there, if you have a profile on YouTube, you could create a channel. So you would just click on your name, it will say create a channel, so on and so forth. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm definitely going to have like a little square or something right here to kind of show you what I'm talking about, because visual learning, I personally am a visual learner, so I definitely 100% get it. So I'm definitely gonna have something right here so you can visually see what the heck I'm talking about. From here, you want to create a channel name. Now it can just be your name, or it can be something like your brand name, or just whatever you want it to be named. This you really want to sit and think about, because depending on how successful you are on YouTube, this is how people are going to know you. This is how people are going to recognize you. So you definitely want your name to stand out. A lot of people had like random like usernames all the way back in the day, and a lot of people have changed it to their actual names because they, you know, they're rebranding, they're changing their brand, and they don't really want to be known as makeup person 8510, okay, for the rest of their life, because nobody wants to go up and be like, hey, you're makeup person 8510. For example, personally, my channel is actually, my name is going to be under Portia Harris. So if you search Portia Harris on YouTube, my name, my channel should pop up. Hopefully it pops up. You definitely just want to have a name that is going to be searchable and easy to find when you type it in on YouTube. The next thing that you want to do after that is kind of decide on how you want your channel to look. So from there, you can pick a profile picture. Now this just comes down to your channel banner and your thumbnail, not your thumbnail, but your picture on the thing, like what picture you want to have. So if you have some professional pictures done, but you know, we're beginners, so we don't have that. So just get your best selfie, your like the most fire selfie that you have, and post that as your profile pic, because that is how people are going to see you. That is how people are going to know you. That's how they're going to know your face, and they're just going to be like, hey, I like this person, I'm going to click on their channel just to see what they look like. From there, you have a banner. A lot of people skip the importance of a banner. You can create your banner to look a million different ways. You can just have your name on there. You can have your name and your scheduling days up there. You can have your name and your social media up there, or you could just have your social media up there. And it could be super plain, it could be white, it could be black, it could be tie-dye, it could be a million different colors, or it could just be one solid color. This is my channel banner. It's pretty like simple, to the point, very minimal, very me. I'm a very minimalistic type of person. I don't really want a lot of color going on. The next thing that I want to tell you guys is to get familiar with the Creator Studio. Creator Studio is pretty much just everywhere, like how you upload your videos, where it shows your analytics. It gives you, it shows you like where your comments are, who commented on your videos. It shows you your revenue. It shows you all this other stuff. So a lot of people know what the Creator Studio looks like, but just click around there, get familiar with it. It makes a world of difference. It helps you figure out what type of content you need to make, what you need to make more of, what you need to make less of, how you should approach certain things, even down to the point of like how your thumbnail should look, which ones look better, which ones perform better. All of that makes a difference. So if you know how to navigate the Creator Studio, then it makes a world of difference, and it makes everything super, super easy. If you guys want a video on how to navigate the Creator Studio, or like just a more in-depth video of the Creator Studio, I would be more than happy to do that video for you guys. But yeah, so just let me know in the comments below. I'll definitely do that for you guys, but definitely 1000% get familiar with the Creator Studio. That is where you're going to be 95% of the time when you're creating content for your videos. One other thing that I want to tell you guys about, I forgot to mention it on my list because I made a list of all the things that I wanted to mention in this episode, but also download YouTube, hold on, I have to go to it, YT Studio. So that is just pretty much just going to be the creator studio for your iPhone or whatever phone that you have. So whatever, that's just going to be the app that you click on, and that will be a quicker way to access everything that you need that you would normally use on your desktop for the creator studio. So definitely download the YT Studio app if you are planning on becoming a creator. The last and final thing that I want to talk about in this video is creating a business email. Now, necessarily, it does not have to be like a completely different business email. It could definitely be the same email that you use to create your profile. That is 100% okay, just as long as you have it in your description box, so companies and PR brands and people know how to contact you. Because if they don't know how to get in contact with you, how are you going to get sponsorships and all of this other stuff? But yeah, just create a simple like business email or like inquiries for Portia at gmail.com. As for me, I personally still have Parker Rose as my business email. So I still have Parkerrosetv at gmail.com in my description box as my business email. Pretty much it. That is everything that I wanted to cover in this particular video. This is 100%, like I said before, the beginning stages of starting a channel. I am going to cover all of those bases for you, everything that you need to know before you even upload a video. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm really excited to do this series for you guys. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a really long time, so I'm really excited for it. How many times can I say really excited? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I make videos 3 times a week, so holla at your girl. So until next time, bye guys.